Hi viewers, with the lockdown extending further, there's a new norm of lot of things happening around the world. You need to get accustomed to it. And one such thing on the entertainment side is the movie theaters. Now movies are going to get released directly on the online platform, and if you see story based, content wise, low budget, these movies will make it to the online platform and they might not hit theaters. That's going to become new norm. Okay. Now, one such movie which released 2 days back on Thursday night is Ponmagal Vandal. It's exclusive streaming on Amazon Prime. That's the review what we are going to give you today. So let's get into the cast and crew of the movie, and then the positives and where this movie actually fails and what's the overall rating, what we're going to give it on Vicky's Clicks. Now, the cast and crew, you have amazing star cast in this movie. You have Pratap Potan, you have Parthiban and Bhagyaraj, Pandyarajan, Tyagarajan, and then followed by Joe. These are the main 6 characters playing in this movie, and they entirely take the story along. Okay. Now, it is directed by J.J. Frederick. It's a crime court drama movie, and music by Govind Vasanta, who had given an amazing music 26 movie. The same music director does his second movie here with Ponmagal Vandal. Now that's the cast and crew. This movie runs for 1, 2, 3 minutes. That is 123 minutes this movie runs. So it's actually a good time. Within 2 hours it gets completed. 2 hours 3 minutes. Now overall, what is the plot of this movie? You have a murder committed by a lady, so-called North Indian lady, a psycho, and she kills the children, child abuse children, and what happens is the case is closed by encountering that particular lady, and that's how, and what happens to this particular case. 15 years after the case is actually closed, this case is reopened by Jyotika, and then playing the character of Jyoti. And then what happens? You have the lawyer, the other side Parthiban, who gives you amazing wit and timing, and if you see Parthiban there, you will really go crazy. It's just amazing, the dialogue delivery, lot of puns intended, as usual, Parthiban style. Now, that is the one-liner of the movie. Now, this entire movie, it's a performance-driven movie. Joe carries it completely on her shoulders. The flashback also represents her. You have very good equal support given by Bhagyaraj, and then the nuances what Pandyarajan as the court officer also does. Pratap Potan also does an amazing job. The villain here, it is Tyagarajan, a rich person, polished person, and then how the movie unfolds. Now, 15 years later, this case is taken up by Jyotika, and she's taking up a case of a lady who has murdered, killed, buried 4-5 children, and the 4-5 children are in that particular layout, in that particular location. It's in Ooty, and the entire public is against Jyotika. Now what happens to this story entirely is taken in the first half. It is a predictable story. If you see in the first half, at the interval, you've got a very good surprise element. It is a good center block there. You would only want to know what happens to the rest of the story. And the second half also goes really well with lot of twists and turns. And then the movie ends in a predictable manner with a light kind of last bit of a climax twist there. Now the positives of this movie is music is an amazing positive of this movie. It elevates at each and every scene what Joe and the other performers act. That's one. It has a very good content. Child abuse. It's a very good message what they want to convey to the entire public. Now Surya's wordings in the end, in the credits, he talks about not only educating our girl child, but it is also very important that we need to educate the boy as well as he grows up, so that lot of things can be avoided. The child abuse case, the rape victim, all these are is told in a very very bold manner, and hats off for that particular conviction of this particular story to be taken from Surya's Productions. They've given us very good movies like Cartoon Mori 2, Rakshasi, Muppattiyaru Vaidyanile. Like this, lot of movies are done from Surya's production side. It's really nice, it's very impressive. And the third one is the performance. Each character, they have played it really well. They have acted on their own, and you never felt that they are out of place. They small bits and roles as well. Each character has performed it really well. This is kind of the story. This is produced by Surya. The movie is produced by Surya under his productions, and must say Jyotika has pulled off this movie really well. Her emotions are captured really really nice by the camera. The camera work is excellent, and these are the positives of the movie. Now what do you see the negatives of this movie? First one is the pace of the movie is actually a bit slow. It could have been done with 1 hour 40 minutes itself. 2 hours is a bit lengthy. That's the first one. The second one, what I personally felt was, it is a court drama, but in the court there are a lot of unwanted say dialogues of self-sympathy to be created from Jyotika's side. That's one of the drawbacks what I've seen. The third drawback what I see is it's completely taken in the courtroom, so there is a lot of monotonous thing going on there, and the pace of the movie is actually a bit slow. So the first half and the second half should have been shortened to that level. 1 hour 40 minutes should have been good. Now last but not least, yes, if you see, I would certainly love movies to be watched in the theatre, because the experience is just mind-blowing in a theatre compared to a residence, a house, and you watch it on TV. Yes, that is a big miss there, but we would encourage people to see low-budget content movies on the online platform, which would help the producers, directors, and the entire film fraternity. Big budget movies which has a lot of visual effects and it's got a huge budget going, yes, they can get into theatres, and if people really want to watch it in theatres, the small low budget content movies, yes, it can be played as classics. Overall, it's a good watch, and on Vicky's Clicks we are going with a 4 on 5. Thanks for watching.